Students, welcome to our mathematics class. Now I am going to explain additions of fractions. In case the fractions are given, fractions are in like fractions. Like fractions means if denominators are same. If the fractions are having same denominator, we can say them as like fractions. Here, see, these two are like fractions. Denominators are same. So, in case like fractions are given and ask them to add, then how to add? See, look at here. Same denominator, write as result, and just add the numerators. You should not add denominators. Denominator should be repeat here as it is, but only numerator should be added. Then you will get 5 plus 1, 6 by same denominator repeats. Now next, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Here denominator 5. Same denominator repeats here, and add the numerators. 3 plus 1, 4 by 5. That is the result of the fraction. Next, see, 5 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So these are also like fractions. Denominators are same, like fractions. So in case adding like fractions, same denominator repeats here, and add numerators. You will get 7 by 11. Here, in case like fractions, 6 by 17, 2 by 17, and 1 by 17. Add them. Here, same denominator repeats in the result, and add the numerators together. So you will get a new result. The result is 9 by 17. This is the fraction of this addition. So this is the result of this addition. So repeat the denominator as it is. Repeat the denominator here as it is. Just add numerators. Don't add denominators. Don't add denominators. Add only numerators. The denominator should be repeat as it is. So like that, like fractions you have to add. Now in case the fractions are not having same denominator, these are unlike fractions. In case denominators are not same, unlike fractions, then how to do? This is different method. What to do? Make like fractions. Make like fractions. How to do like fractions? See, first find out a common multiple of 7 and 6 right here. What is the common multiple? Find out common multiple is nothing but a LCM, least common multiple for this 7 and 6. Find out least common multiple 7 and 6. LCM, how to do LCM? If you don't know, learn here. Now in 7 and 6, what table possible? Only one table, no other table possible in 7 and 6, because 7 is the prime number, 6 is of course not prime, but 7 is prime number. No table possible except 1. So one table only possible, 7 and 6. So 1 7 jar, 1 6 jar. Now multiply all outside numbers. 1 7 6, multiply 1 into 7 into 6, you will get 42. 42 is the LCM. Now what to have to do? Make these two fractions as like fractions. See, first fraction 2 by 7 as like fraction. How to do? Make the denominator equal to LCM. What is the LCM? We got 42. Make the denominator, this fraction denominator, equal to LCM. So LCM is 42 now. To make 7 as L2 42, what have to do? Multiply 6. Here once again, take the fraction, given fraction 2 by 7. You take this fraction and make this denominator as LCM equal to, make the denominator equal to LCM. So this denominator equal to LCM. 7 6 jar 42. Yes, LCM is 42 now. Now 7 multiply with 6. Then you should get 42. 42 is the LCM. So then if you multiply 7 here also, multiply 7 with 6. 2 also multiply with 6. So then you will get equal fraction. So now 2 by 7 equal to 12 by 42. That what you have done? 2 by 7 modified and equal to 40. So 12 by 42. So here what we did? Denominator multiply with 6. Why? The denominator should make as LCM. So that is why we are multiplying 6. Here when you are multiplying 6 here, numerator also multiply with same number. Otherwise fraction value changes. So here fraction, if you multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, fraction value not change. No, equal fractions already I told you in previous classes. So you will get 12 by what? Now similarly take another fraction 5 by 6. Now that also make denominator as LCM. LCM what? 42. So make this 6 as 42. What I have to multiply? 7. So then multiply numerator also with 7. Why we are multiplying with 7? We want to make this fraction denominator as 42. LCM, what is the LCM? That make equal to LCM. So the denominator make equal to LCM. 6 into 7, 42. Now 7, then when you multiply denominator with 7, numerator also multiply with 7. Why we are multiplying numerator and denominator with same numbers? To make equal fraction to 5 by 6. Now 35 by 42 is the equal to 45 by 6, but highest form, but value is same. Both value 5 by 6 and 35 by 42 are both are having same value, but that numbers may be changed, value is same. So in previous class I told both numerator and denominator multiply with the same number, you will get equal fraction. Now 5 by 6 equal to 35 by 42. Now see 5 by 2 by 5 2 by 7 equal fraction is 12 by 42. Now 5 by 6 equal fraction is 35 by 42. Now these two are equal fractions to 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. So equal fractions. Now yes, instead of this we are writing equal fractions. Now see denominators equal, like when denominators are equal like fractions, you know how to do like fractions equal easily. So same denominator repeats here. When like fractions are adding, same denominators repeat here, and numerators should be add. Then when you add numerators, what you will get? 47 by 42. So 47 by 42 divides. It is improper fraction, no, not a proper fraction. Improper fraction, numerator is greater. So when any problem, answer result should not be in improper fraction. Divide means 42 1 jar 42, 5 remainder, and 42 is the divisor. Here see quotient, remainder by divisor. This is divisor and this is quotient. So this is dividend. When you divide, what will get? 42 1 jar 42, remainder 5. Remainder should write here and divisor should write here. Quotient should be one time now. Quotient should be right here 1 5 by 42. Such a way we can write solve the problems unlike fractions. In case another one, see question number 8. This is also another one. See here unlike fractions. Here how to do unlike fractions? Already I told, make LCM. Denominator must be LCM. Take denominators and make LCM. 4 by 5. Sorry, 4 comma 5. So which table possible in both? One table only, because in 5 is prime number, no. So no table possible except one table. So in both whatever possible, take that number and one table only. So 1 4 jar 4, 1 5 jar 5. LCM is, so outside then multiply all outside numbers. 1 into 4 into 5, 20. Okay, now in this 4 5 no table possible again, so this only final. 1 into 4 into 5, 4 20. So this LCM is 20. Now take these fractions individually, 3 by 4 and 2 by 5 separately, and make equal denominators to make the denominators equal to LCM. So LCM, what is the LCM? 20. So make the denominators equal to 20. So 3 by 4 into 5 into 5. Why I am multiplying with 5? I want denominator as LCM. So equal to LCM. So that is why multiplying denominator with 5. So when you multiply with 5, numerator also should be multiply with 5. Then you will get equal fraction. 3 by 4, 15 by 20 are equal now. Now 2 by same. Next fraction 2 by 5. So denominator must be equal to LCM. So then multiply 4 and 4. So you will get 20. See now we got 20 now. LCM what is there? That is denominator. Here also you got to 20 denominator. 5 4 jar 20. 2 4 jar 8. So why I am multiplying 4 in numerator and denominator? I want denominator as 20. So multiply 4. Here when you multiply 4, numerator also multiply with 4. Why? You will get an equal fraction. To get equal fraction, both numerator and denominator must be equal, multiply with the same number. So 8 by 20. Now here see 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. For this 3 by 4 equal fraction is 15 by 20, and for this 2 by 5 equal fraction is 18 by 20. Add these. Like fractions you can add directly. Denominator same repeats, numerators add. Numerators add. Denominator should not be added. Only repeat there. So that is the result of a given fraction. Now one more we see 7 to 14. 7 to 14. Here also one fraction is given. Add them. Unlike fractions, add. Here see how to add unlike fractions. Do LCM for denominators. Denominator LCM. So in what table possible? In 3, 7, in 3 no table is possible. In 3 numbers no table is possible because 7 is prime number now. No table possible in 3 numbers. Minimum 2 numbers possible we take at that table. So here in 7 table not possible, leave it. 2 14, here in 2 14 what table? 2 table possible. So take 2 table and divide 7, in which is not possible write as it is. And 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14, 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14. So this is division method. Now again you got 2, which is not possible, 7 is not possible no in 2. So write as it is, 7 write as it is, 2 1 time, 14 7 times, 2 7 are 14. Now again this 7 and 7 divides by 7 table. So we can here see no need to divide by 3 tables, only any 2 are possible you can take the table. Now 7 1 are 7, 1 is not possible as it is take down. Here like this, in 7 not possible as it is take down, remaining divides 2 1 are 2 4 7. Like that here also 7 1 jar 7 one time, in this 7 one time, in 1 not possible same take down as it is, 7 1 jar 7. So now multiply all outside numbers, 2 into 7 into 1 into 1 into 1 into. So like that if you multiply outside numbers multiply you will get LCM, that is 14. So now take 14, take these denominators, take these fractions individually and make denominator as 14. What is LCM? 14. Make the denominator as LCM. So for that what you have to do, multiply numerator and denominator with 2 table. You will get equal fraction, 4 by 14. Now we got see new fraction, equal fraction to 7 by 2 by 7. For equal 2 by 7 equal fraction we got, and also denominator as LCM. Denominator is equal to LCM. So such a way you have to modify. Now another fraction is, second fraction is 1 by 2. So that also make denominator as 14. So how to make 14 denominator as multiply with 7. So multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, then you will get equal fraction. So 1 by 2 equal fraction is 7 by 14. Now again 1 by 14. Next fraction is 1 by 14. So here no need to change because denominator is equal to LCM. Already denominator not equal to LCM means equal to, make equal to LCM. If not there, here already equal to LCM. So no need to multiply, just multiply one numerator and denominator. That means no need to change here. 1 by 14 only you will get. Now you got new fractions are equal fractions to 2 by 7 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 14. 2 by 7 equal fraction is 4 by 14. 1 by 2 equal fraction is 7 by 14. 1 by 14 equal fraction is 1 by 14. Now here see what I did, 2 by 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 14 equal to 2 by 7 equal fraction 4 by 14. 1 by 2 equal fraction is 7 by 14. 1 by 14 equal fraction is 1 by 14 only. Now what you observe here, these are like fractions. You know like fractions directly we can add. Here see we can add directly like fractions. So, denominator repeats same as it is, denominator repeats as it is, and numerator should be add. Numerator should be add. So 4 plus 7 plus 1 you will get 12. By denominator repeats same as it is. Such a way we can add fractions. Thank you.